Today, we're going to explore a few of the search operators that can help you when looking for a file or an email when using Google. The power of Google's search feature is unleashed when using a few of the key search operators, when you need to find that important information on the email or store it on My Drive. First, search operators are words that help you modify a search query. Whether used for records and information management or just keeping on top of your daily emails, using search operators can quickly help you find what you need when you need it. I will show you a few tips on how to use the basic search operators along with some more advanced Boolean search options. In the end, using search operators will save you valuable time in looking for those elusive emails. Sometimes just typing a keyword like retention in the search bar is not enough. This is where Google search operators come in and can help you hone in on what you're really looking for. Google allows Boolean search operators in its search queries. If you're not familiar with Boolean search operators, that's okay, because we're going to see how they work along the way. Boolean operators like and or allow you to combine keywords to produce more relevant search results. Just know, for the Boolean operators to work, all the letters must be capitalized so that Google doesn't think of them as a word you want to search by. Here you can see the difference between and or when searching for retention report. Let's take a look at how this works. When using a Google search operator and then adding an or Boolean, we can expand our search to find all the items containing one or more of the key words. Only one word is needed for the item to be included in the search results. Let's look closer. We will start our search with is:** as our Google search operator, and it will give us a long list of emails that have been starred. We can now narrow the search by adding the keyword report, and the list of items will get shorter. Now, if we add or retention to the search will expand to give us a list of all the emails that contain one or more of the key words, report or retention, and is starred. The more words in our search, the broader our search will be. Or can expand the search to include 311. Here's one more sample for using a Google search operator with the or Boolean. From :Liz is a long list. From :Liz or from :Marine even creates a longer list. Let's go back and add is:*. The list is now reduced to only starred items from Liz or Marine. The opposite of the or Boolean operator is and. The and Boolean operator will restrict your search. Searching retention and report is the same as searching retention report. Google automatically presumes and is between any two words. Let's say your email inbox is overflowing and you want to get to your important unread emails. By using your labels and the Google search operators, this is a quick and easy task to do. Typing is:"unread" in the search bar will display all unread emails. We can then add is:"important" to narrow down the list to all important unread messages. Another strong Google search operator option to use is the quotation marks. Searching for unread record retention emails. This is not the same as searching unread record retentions in quotes. In the first option, the two words can be anywhere within the email and placed in any order to search by. In the second option, the two words are searched by how they are exactly typed. This is the power of quotation marks. They are used to search an exact word or phrase. Now that you've become more comfortable in searching for emails, there's a lot more Google search and Boolean operators to use. Coming up is a quick look at some of the more popular search operators used in Google Mail, along with a sample of how to use the operator. If you're new to search operators, go ahead and pause the video when needed. For those of you who are search operator pros, take a quick look. You just might discover something new. Here's a tip. You don't have to memorize all these operators. Go to support.google.com, click on the mail icon, and then type in the Search Gmail help box, Search Operators using Google Mail. And you will get a whole list of search operators and how to use them. Now you should be able to find your emails much easier using the Google search operators. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comments below.